Spectrum subscribers can access the channel guide on Xumo, a free ad-supported streaming TV platform owned by Comcast. To access, download the Xumo app on iOS, Android, Roku, Fire TV, or smart TVs, or visit xumo.com on your browser. Log in using your Spectrum credentials, username, and password. Navigate to the Guide tab to browse what's on now. This provides a grid view of live channels. The guide includes filters for genres and time slots, supports voice search via Alexa or Google Assistant, picture-in-picture, and parental controls. This feature is free for Spectrum TV subscribers. Non-subscribers can access a limited version with ads. The Spectrum Channel Guide on Xumo offers several key features that enhance the viewing experience. Users can view real-time schedules to see what's currently playing across channels. The search function allows quick discovery of specific shows or programs. Access to on-demand content provides flexibility to watch programs at any time. AI-driven suggestions enhance content discovery by analyzing viewing history. Based on what you've watched before, the guide recommends programs you might enjoy. Current trends show increased personalization and AI integration in streaming services. There's a notable decline in traditional cable viewership as users shift to digital options. Multi-device access allows viewing across various platforms and devices. Experts predict Xumo could expand to 500-plus channels by 2027, offering more content variety. The FAST market is booming, with Xumo leading in integrating cable guides into streaming apps. There's a projected 25% compound annual growth rate in FAST adoption through 2030. This reflects a broader shift towards digital streaming, prioritizing accessibility and personalization for users.